Hi. No, don't smash your beak on the ground. Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Aaron, what are you doing? She's camera shy. Ah! The ferocious Lewis is in for attack. The Irish Crazy Dude is watching. This is Lewis, whatever, the bird that's annoying. It's in the background sometimes. Lewis, where are you going? You going down there? Yeah. What are you doing? Bye, Lewis. Say bye, Lewis. Say bye. No, say bye. Okay. Aaron. Oh. Hold on, let me get Aaron out. Sorry for the darkness. Aaron. That's Aaron. Aaron, what are you doing? Lewis, get out of the way. Aaron wants to be here. Lewis is weird. Okay, I just wanted to show you my birds. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching this video if you watch this video. And if you want to see more bird videos, say in the comments or whatever. Say bye, Lewis. Yeah, he laughs. Okay. Have a great day, and see you next time.